can't believe that.
What'd you get, Maddie? Maddie, what'd you get?
I'm 2 inches away.
Oh, that's a pretty horse. I wish I'd have had
Maddie,
one.
Get off.
Yeah, I can get off.
The red thing you,
Mine?
Allie, the red thing you brushed the horse's hair.
I think the one more present for you. Is that one mine?
Mm-hmm.
What's this one?
For you too.
Here, you can play your guitar while you're riding your horse.
Probably not.
You want to play your guitar while you're riding a horse?
Sure.
Let's see. Play that.
Yes!
Don't turn those too much. That's enough.
Oh, honey, you don't turn those. You just play the strings.
They're tight
Oh,
enough.
okay.
Santa Claus probably already tuned it up for you. Hey, wow. That is neat.
Don't touch these. They make horrible sounds. These make horrible sounds.
Okay.
The pink ones make horrible sounds.
What is that, Matthew? Bugs.
Hey, where's mine? Hey, you.
Where's his guitar, he
He's
said.
getting it. I was going to get it for him. Turn around the other way, honey.
Show Grammy how you play the drums. He was out here playing them earlier.
There's one stick. And there's another. Maddie, play the drums for her. Maddie, play the drums for her. The sticks are under the guitar.
Listen, stop.
Sticks? Yeah, and you need your little seat to sit on.
He can stand.
No, because he can. Do you know how to drum the big drum? Yes. Do you want to know how to make him? Do you want to know how to do this? You put your foot on this, and then it bangs it.
Push his seat back in there.
There. Move your guitar,
Put
Allie.
your foot on it.
That's good. Wow, that was cool.
I
Alright.
didn't know it could do that.
Alright, dude.
You two can make music.
You have one more
Good,
present
you're
to
good.
open, buddy.
Boy, you're good at that. What, is that doggone horse still eating?
After you play this, after you play your pink one, okay? And I'll play the drums, okay?
Hey, Maddie, look here. Look here.
What did you? What did you? Hey, let me try doing that. I will have to put my hand on it. Carrot's doing it. Mommy, I won't have to put my hand on it. My
Go get
carrot's
your mom.
doing it.
Go get your mom.
Mommy, doing the job.
Hey, Maddie, open your last present, honey.
Just push one at a
Two
time.
last.
2.
You got some more presents to open.
Oh yeah, you're right. I think he's waiting for me to open the last present.
Right there.
That big penguin one. Okay. I don't know what it is. I just know what it is. ABC, ABC, and the puzzle. ABC and the puzzle.